A concert promoter had a certain number of tickets to give away. 5 people got the tickets. The first got 1/3 of the tickets, the second got 1/4 of the tickets, and the third got 1/5 of the tickets. The fourth person got 8 tickets, and there were 5 tickets left for the 5th person. Find the total number of tickets given away. So we start the problem with the familiarized step, and that is we will let x equal the total number of tickets given away. And then we can say that the first person received 1/3 x of the tickets. The next or second person received 1/4 of the tickets. The third person received 1/5 of the tickets. Then the fourth person received 8, and the 5th person received 5. So there's how many tickets each of the 5 received. Now what we know is this number, or these number of tickets, must add up to the total number of tickets, which is x. And so we would write an equation, which is the translate part of the process, which is that the total tickets must equal x. And so we would say 1/3 x plus 1/4 x plus 1/5 x plus 8 plus 5 equals x. Two things we can do. We can add the 8 and the 5 for 13, and at the same time, I'm going to multiply both sides by the LCD of 3, 4, and 5, and the LCD of 3, 4, and 5 is 60. So we're going to multiply 60 times 1/3 x plus 1/4 x plus 1/5 x plus 13. And then on the other side, we multiply by 60, so 60 times x. We must distribute the 60 into the parentheses, multiplying it times each of the 4 individual terms inside. Now, when we multiply 60 times 1/3, 3 divides into 60 20 times. We have 20x. When we multiply 60 times 1/4, 4 goes into 60 15 times, so we have 15x. When we multiply 60 times 1/5, 5 goes into 60 12 times, so we have plus 12x. And then finally, we multiply 60 times 13, and we get that that's equal to 780. And then on the right-hand side, it's equal to 60x. We can combine the 20x, 15x, and the 12x. We add their coefficients, and that's going to add up to 47x plus 780 equals 60x. Now we subtract 47x from each side. We have 780 is equal to 13x. Now we divide both sides by 13, which of course on the right-hand side simplifies to equal x. And when we divide 780 by 13, we get that x is equal to 60. So that should be the total number of tickets that get sold. Well, a quick check of that, which is the 4th step in the process, would be to say, well, the first person gets 1/3 of those. That would be 20 tickets. The second person gets 1/4 of those. That would be 15 tickets. The third person gets 1/5, or 12 tickets. And we know that the fourth person received 8 and the 5th person received 5. What we want to know does that add up to 60? And the answer is yes, in fact it does. So that checks, and that means that the total number of tickets given away is 60.